Well, happy Friday, everybody. Long week for many, but we are looking forward to the weekend. A lot of things going on to get excited about, and getting excited to talk to Andrew Reinhardt from Valley View Medical Clinic right now to talk about an amazing procedure that they can perform on guys to really rekindle their love life. Hello, Andrew. How are you?
Hey, I am doing well. How are you today?
Awesome, as always, and looking forward to finding out what we can do for gentlemen that are out there right now that might be experiencing some difficulties when it comes to the bedroom.
Well, we can certainly help. In fact, that's all we do at Valley View Medical Clinic is help with ED or erectile dysfunction. But here's the thing. We're not using the pills. There are no side effects. This is a game changer for a lot of couples. We use a technology called wave therapy. It delivers gentle pressure waves through the skin into the blood vessels, which causes the blood vessels to widen and regrow. You can imagine what that does to life in the bedroom. More blood flow, more circulation. We've helped a lot of guys get rid of the ED without the use of pills.
Well, that is amazing. And you said something to me that I did not realize. This is your specialty. This is all you do. I didn't realize that was your primary focus.
That's right. This is all we do. We specialize in this technology for erectile dysfunction for men. And I would say maybe at a higher level is getting men off of the pill. I'm yet to meet a man that enjoys the pill, going to the pharmacy and all the side effects. Nobody wants to go through that. And I'll tell you, this is kind of like welcome to the future. This is the new way to treat the problem.
Yeah, what are guys telling you after they go through the treatment and they realize, oh my goodness, this is really working and I can take those pills and discard them and get rid of them forever?
It relieves the pressure. They don't have to play that timing game with the pill. But here's the true end result. When we get the erectile dysfunction taken care of, the relationship. Couples draw closer together, intimacy, spontaneity, and I would say happiness even. It's all connected. When things go well in the bedroom, they tend to go well outside of the bedroom also.
Now, obviously, guys will get a hold of you if they are experiencing some of these difficulties, but you talked about a relationship. Now, what about the partner? Are partners contacting you as frequently?
Many, many times every day, the spouses or significant others call us. They say, my man has ED. I want to get this taken care of. Then they come into the clinic with their man for the appointment, which I kind of like to see. It means they care about this. The significant others care. ED affects the relationship. When we get it fixed, it has a far-reaching, great benefit.
And I think that's what a lot of people have to remember. This is a medical condition. This is not something, that you can really help, because you talked about a breakdown of the vessels and you're repairing those. You are getting them to regrow. You're giving it life again. That's the whole idea.
That's right. As a man ages, blood vessels that are tiny to begin with shrivel up and die. And that leads to a restriction of blood flow, which is erectile dysfunction. It's a physical problem. It's a medical problem, like you said. It needs a physical and medical solution. It doesn't need a pill. Our technology repairs and opens up those blood vessels. You'll be amazed what can happen when we repair that.
It's physics. It's plain physics. You have to just realize and do the math. Now, speaking of doing the math, you have some math that people don't even have to do if they want to get evaluated and start getting the treatment started. Tell us about the special offer that you have right now.
That's right. Get your phone ready. Call us before this segment ends. We'll set you up for the exam, assessment, even the blood flow ultrasound free. You'll get the gift that produces immediate results in the bedroom, which you'll love, by the way. It's hundreds of dollars of value today. We're doing it totally free to callers now.
All right, so the cost is zero, everybody. 515-300-5555. 515-300-5555. And of course, Valley View Medical Clinic is located right off the bypass and University in Pleasant Hill, right at that first stoplight over on the north side of the road. Very, very simple to find. And how quickly can people see results after getting treated?
Well, according to the Cambridge study, they said a few treatments that are about 10 minutes over maybe 2 weeks. I will say this, a lot of men report results starting with the first session. It starts to improve and it gets progressively better.
Yeah, there is no reason to wait any longer. You need to get the situation corrected, and the easiest way to do so is make an appointment right now. No cost. That's the key. No cost. 515-300-5555. Andrew Reinhardt, thank you so very much for your time, and we will talk to you next week.
Thanks for having me.